Welcome back to From Label to Table. And this is my last video in the series. This has been so much fun. I want to thank Linda from Lou Creates. What a great idea for a collab. I have really enjoyed it, and I'm kind of sad to know this is my last video. Maybe we'll do it again next year. Now, I have the link to the collab videos down below, so be sure you check them all out. They've been posted Monday through Friday all throughout May. So, what am I going to make from a label to a table? Well, I often buy this 15 bean mix here. It is by Hearst Ham Beans, it's called. And I usually just make regular bean soup. I love all the different beans in here, which are really more legumes, right? There's even peas in it and things like that, but it's really, really good. And I thought today I'm going to make something on the back of the package. It is called Hearst Ham Beans 15 bean soup recipe. Okay, it's not the one I have made before, so I thought I'd try it. And it has even tomatoes in it and chili powder and some lemon juice and garlic cloves. I mean, it sounds really, really good. And luckily, I have a big ham bone left. So it will make some excellent broth for this soup. For this recipe, you need the 15 bean soup, the 20-ounce size, 1 cup onion chopped, 1 14.5-ounce canned diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon chili powder, juice of 1 lemon, well, we cheated and did 3 tablespoons of real lemon, 1 to 2 cloves garlic minced, and then a pound of ham or ham hocks or even smoked sausage. That's all you need. So let's get started. Let's make that broth. Oh, but I should remind you, I actually soaked my beans last night, overnight. Yeah, kind of important, so they're ready to use. Now, the night before, you can do like I did. I put my beans in 8 cups of water and just let them soak all night. Or you can do a quick soak. You put in the beans in 10 cups of water, you bring it to a rapid boil, then you reduce the heat, cover it, and continue boiling for about an hour and a half. Personally, I like the easy method. Just dump, add the water, and wait till the next morning. But it's up to you. So first, making the broth. Now, I have this nice leftover ham, and I want to make a rich broth before I start this. So I'll put this in the pot. Then we're just going to pour in water. Here we go. Now I'm going to bring this up to a boil and then turn it down. And we are going to wait maybe 3 hours. Let this broth get really, really rich. We'll be back. I tasted it. It's rich. It's ready. And we need 8 cups of it. So this is the amount of broth left over after I took out the 8 cups. I'm probably going to freeze this to use later. And here's the ham. I took most of the ham off the bone. A lot of it went in with the beans, but I have this left over. I can make sandwiches with it, or if I feel like I need some more meat in the soup, I can add it. Okay, rinsing the beans one more time here. There we go. Okay, now we're going to put our beans in our pot. All of them, the little ones too, which I think are peas. It's really legumes, not all beans, but anyway, it's a good assortment. There we go. All right, you want 8 cups of liquid, And you can use sausage or ham. I have taken ham off here. Okay. And we need 1 cup of chopped onions. Put this back on the burner. Okay, we're getting a boil here. We want to turn it down, simmer it for about 1.5 hours. Could be 2 hours if you're starting fresh with water, but since I'm starting with broth, I think 90 minutes will be fine. Be back. Okay, time's up. Now we're gonna put in 1 can of tomatoes, which, yeah, these are, I must have missed them. They're at the back of my shelf. April of 2022. So they're only 3 years old. They'll be fine. And next, we want a teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, there we go. And then it said the juice of 1 lemon. Well, I don't have a lemon, but I do have some real lemon juice. So it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons in that lemon. So we're gonna put 1, 2, and maybe 2.5. There we go. And we also want 2 minced garlics. There we have it. Now let's mix it up. It's smelling good. And we are gonna let it simmer for another 1/2 hour, covered. You need to add a little salt and a little pepper. Now it's time to dish up. Okay, doesn't that look good? We're gonna let this cool off just a little and then taste test time. Time for a taste test. Still pretty hot. Oh, this is good. Very rich ham broth. Nice creamy beans and some great ham. I'm really glad I tried this recipe. I would have never thought about putting lemon juice in and chili powder, but you know what? It's not like you can really taste the chili powder, but the combination is really, really good. I urge you, look on the back of your boxes and your packages and see if there are any fun recipes to try. They're usually pretty easy because they don't have a lot of room to publish the recipe. So buy some 15 beans, the Hearst ham beans, and then make a delicious bean soup. Well, gotta go. I want to eat my supper, and I hope you've enjoyed this collab as much as I have. Thank you.